Quickest, easiest and tastiest fruit chart you'll ever make. So these are some of the things you'll need: a can of chickpeas, some crushed red chilies, and a selection of your favourite fruits. Now you need to chop and slice all your fruits and add them to the bowl. One of my favourites, but you can choose your own. Crushed red chili flakes. Maggi hot and sweet sauce is the best. You have to try this. Some chaat masala. Now this has got the salt in it, so you don't need to add any more salt. And I like to put green chilies in mine. I take out the seeds to add the flavour and not the heat. Now this stuff is tamarind. You have to soak it in some boiling water. Sieve it into your mix and then give it a good stir. And that's it, you're done. That's the fruit chart done. And try not to eat it before you get it to the table, like I did. Enjoy.